What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to export the whole chat from the Claude. So it's going to be very easy and to the point video. So if you have a chat, for example, I have this chat from the recent and I want to use it with something else. So if for probably Gemini or ChatGPT, what I can do, I can just simply copy the whole chat and like this, Control C, and then Control V. So and let Gemini to work on it and create a context out of it. Or I can ask the Claude create a PDF of the context and details of this conversation. So it will do so. And the last thing that probably we can do is to use a third-party extension like AI Chat Exporter. How it works pretty easily. Like I have it over here. If I go ahead and click on this, it will start running from here. I can give the file name prefix like Claude, and where I want to export it, simply I can type in open Claude website, my account, and export, and all this stuff. And download location, all that stuff. I can download it and then save it. So these are the methods to save the conversation from a Claude and export it for the users. See you in the next one.